Oh my god, it looks not the best. Hey guys, it's Jasmine here. So for today's video, I'm doing like an unboxing first impressions video. It's like 12 o'clock right now. I just got off work like an hour ago. My makeup's like not really on. I don't look the best, so I'm sorry about that. I don't know if this video is gonna be like a part of a vlog or like if it's gonna be like its own separate video, but if it is gonna be its own separate video, today's video is gonna be an unboxing or like first impressions video. I don't know if I already said that, but yeah, I got a bunch of stuff that ShopMissA sent me, so yeah. Cute. Just like an online website that sells like a bunch of accessories, makeup, and like lashes, and they just sell a bunch of things for like $1. Like everything on their website is like $1. Probably 90% of the things on their website. I know there's like some things that are more expensive, but like they're multiple items in one pack. That's why they're more expensive, you know. So yeah, I got a bunch of things from their website. They did send this to me, so I'm gonna be really honest with everything I got. I think recently they've been really popular for their like lashes that came out, the AOA lashes, and they're like $1.50, and they're like nice mink lashes, and they're literally $1.50, and I think a part of like the proceeds go to like charity or something. So yeah, you guys should totally check it out. I honestly forgot why I ordered. I think I picked this stuff out like 2 weeks ago, and I finally got the package, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got real quick. I know I got like 15 things or something, or 15 to 20 things. I know I got like a decent amount of things. Oh, so to start it off, everything is wrapped up. Everything is so wrapped up. I'm like struggling right now. Oh my god, I got so many lashes. Oh my god, do you guys see that? Oh my god, I forgot how many I got, but like I got a shitload of lashes. Oh my god. Oh my god. These are so cute. Oh my god. Look at this. Guys, look at all these lashes. Guys, this is crazy. So I don't know if my camera cut off or something, but it just stopped filming, so I'm just gonna try to continue this video. I don't know where I left off. I think I was showing you guys some lashes. I'm just gonna be going through them real quick. The first one I got two of. They're in jean. I think these are really popular. These remind me of Coco lashes and Goddess. I really like Coco lashes, but Coco lashes are like $10 each, and these are $1.50. So you guys should definitely check it out. It's in the style jean. I really like it. It's so cute. You guys see that? I got two of them. And the next one I got is in Shelby. Yeah, Shelby. This one's also really cute. I feel like a lot of these are like dupes for Coco or something, but they're also really cute. The next one is in Melissa. That is so nice. I love that. And then we got Tori. Oh, I guess I got two Melissas. Just Melissa again. And then I got Yoni. Ooh, that's so cute. And then I got another Lydia. I guess I got two. Carlene. I don't know what that says, but yeah. And these are all faux mink lashes. They're 3D. Like a part of their proceeds go to protect animals in need. These are not mink lashes, they're faux mink, so save the animals. So yeah, I got a bunch of them. I think I got 11 total. They're all so cute. I'm so excited about them. I love having lashes. I feel like whenever I go to like raves and stuff, or like concerts, or I want to just get ready for like filming or whatever, I always wear lashes, and I definitely will be wearing these. If you guys want to know how I like these, I'll probably be posting it on like my Instagram or something, how I like them. So follow me on Instagram and you guys will see these. These are all so cute. I'm excited to try them out. This is literally not everything I got. I literally got more stuff in here, and I'm really excited about it. Hopefully it doesn't fall out. I think I got two more pairs of lashes, so I'm going to show you guys those real quick. These are more AOA lashes, but I think they're different. I don't know if they don't. These ones are not as like nice. They're still really nice, but these ones are not as like high quality or nice as like these lashes. So yeah, these ones are like $1.50, and then I got these ones. These ones are $1, I believe. These ones are also really cute. I like them a lot. Do you see that? And then I also got this one. Do you see that? I don't know, it's like too reflective. Okay, there it is. I just got like a bunch of random things from ShopMissA, honestly. I'm excited to try it out, but like, I don't even know what the heck I got. I got like so many random things. I literally just got nipple covers because like, I don't know, I feel like I've been needing nipple covers, and I don't wear bras a lot anymore, and a lot of my shirts and stuff are like a little bit see-through, so I need nipple covers so no one sees my nipples. I got 3 pieces of jewelry, and I'm gonna open them and show you guys real quick. Oh, this is really cute. So I've been really into like jewelry and like layering necklaces, so I got this. This one's really cute. Wow, do you guys see that? I'm so excited to wear this. I've been really into silver jewelry, so that's been my thing lately. I like this. Excited to try it out. Really cute. It's literally so cute. You guys should totally check out ShopMissA. Literally, I would wear this prom too. Like, this is so nice. I'm like, don't know if you guys can see that. I'm just gonna hope that you guys see that. There. That is so cute. I love hearts. I think they're so cute. I honestly do not remember getting this, but I guess I got some earrings. I do not remember getting this at all. I just got like a jewelry pack, so it comes with like a little pendant and it comes with a little butterfly, I guess, and 2 earrings. I literally do not remember getting this at all, but I guess. So I'm going to like a lot of festivals this summer. I have 3 festivals total. I'm going to Second Sky, Porter Robinson's festival. I'm going to Audiotistic in the Bay. And then I'm going to Hard Summer in SoCal. And all those festivals, I know it's going to be really hot there. So I decided to get a fan. So I got one of these last year from like Daiso for Hard Summer, and like it was paper and it was falling apart and it was literally like $1.50 and it was so bad quality. And this one is like a fabric fan. It's not paper, it's a lot better quality. One of my festivals is literally in the desert. So yeah, so like I feel like when I'm in the desert and it gets really hot, I don't want to get like heat stroke. So I got this. It's really nice. It's really cute. It has flowers on it. I'm definitely going to be bringing this to the festival. It's going to come in handy a lot. I love these. And the last thing I got from ShopMissA is a makeup bag. And it's just like a cute little makeup bag. It's really cute. It's not super big. All my other makeup bags are super big, and sometimes I don't need it that big. And I really like how like tiny and petite this is. It's just like a cute little makeup bag. And this was literally only $1. So if you guys need any makeup bags, you guys should check them out too, because they have a bunch of makeup bags. It's not the only one. I just got one of them because I don't need a bunch. So yeah, the last thing I got is a makeup bag. Okay guys, I hope you guys liked this video. Remember to thumbs up and subscribe, and comment down below any other video suggestions you guys have for me. I'm sorry this video was kind of like all over the place. I know, like, I don't know what was happening throughout this video. All I know is that my camera cut off like 3 times. So yeah, I hope you guys don't mind. I'll see you guys later. Bye! Bye.